Here is a proof that Africa is connected to everything. Every year, close to 28 million tons of dust travels by wind across the Atlantic Ocean, covering a distance of about 5,000 kilometers. To the Amazon rainforest, the biggest rainforest in the world, which is located in South America. This nutrient-rich dust serves as fertilizer to the Amazon rainforest. So without the dust from the African Sahara Desert, the Amazon rainforest in South America will not thrive. So you see, Africa isn't just a regular continent. Africa is actually connected to everything. Follow for more African facts.